Close your eyes, breathe. Welcome to the Inverse Eye, a channel where reality fractures, symbolism speaks, and the unseen reveals itself. If you are looking for a crack in the veil, you've just found it. In the depths of the cosmos, there is a presence that emits no light, reflects nothing, and yet binds galaxies together. We call this invisible substance dark matter. It makes up about 27% of the known universe according to the Planck collaboration, yet we still don't know exactly what it is. What we do know is this: without it, the visible universe would collapse. Modern science studies it through its gravitational effects, the human soul through its shadows. This is a journey that links these two darknesses, the one that shapes the universe and the one that lives within us. What is dark matter according to science? Dark matter was first proposed by Fritz Zwicky in 1933 after he observed that galaxies in the Coma cluster moved too quickly to be held together by visible matter. Later, Vera Rubin confirmed this with galactic rotation curves, revealing that there is more gravity than can be accounted for by stars and gas. This excess gravity comes from something unseen: dark matter. The conclusion is inescapable that non-luminous matter exists beyond the optical galaxy. Vera Rubin. Dark matter does not interact with light. It neither absorbs nor emits. It only reveals itself through gravitational footprints, the rotation of galaxies, gravitational lensing, and cosmic microwave background fluctuations. Projects like Lux Zeppelin and the Euclid Space Telescope launched by NASA and ESA in 2023 are among the most promising attempts to detect it directly. Still, we do not know if it's made of particles, fields, or something that transcends known physics. You're entitled to say, if you're so smart, why don't you tell me what that dark matter is? And I'll have to confess I don't know. Jim Peebles, Nobel laureate. Failure after failure, persistent faith. There are basically thousands of models of particle physics lying blooded in the gutter. Richard Gateskill, LUX Zeppelin. From the LUX experiment to xenon and CDMS detectors have failed repeatedly. I want to know what dark matter and dark energy are comprised of. No one is any closer to solving the problem than when these two things were discovered. Neil deGrasse Tyson. Despite the scientific void, the search continues. Dark matter is one of science's most pressing enigmas. Katie Mack. NASA Science and Future Detection. The Alpha Magnetic Spectrometer AMS on the ISS measures cosmic rays. The AMS cosmic ray particle results could help foster a new understanding of the fields of fundamental physics. Charles Bolden, former NASA administrator. Jim Green, NASA's Office of Chief Scientist, predicts that we could measure the force of dark matter within the solar system if we venture far enough. The potential for discovery is immense. Jim Green. The analogy with human consciousness. If dark matter is an invisible presence holding everything together, it may also mirror our inner world. Psychologist Carl Jung spoke of the shadow, the part of the unconscious where repressed desires and forgotten potentials live. Just as galaxies are held together by dark matter, our psyche also revolves around a dark zone. Consciousness is only a small fraction of who we are. 95% of mental activity is unconscious. Barr and Morcella. What drives us is often hidden. Are we not also like the cosmos, held together by what we do not see? One universe, the outer and the inner, as reflections. The dark matter web forms an invisible structure connecting galaxies like nodes in a neural network. In 2012, Franco Vazza and Alberto Folletti found mathematical similarities between the universe's large-scale structure and the neural network of the human brain. This resonance suggests more than coincidence. Perhaps both are expressions of the same underlying geometry of a consciousness unfolding toward a philosophy of the inner universe. Perhaps dark matter is not just an exotic substance. Maybe it is the material metaphor of our inner journey, what we do not see but which keeps our coherence intact. In mystical traditions, the void is not absence but pure potential. The Tao cannot be named, yet it holds all. The tree does not grow toward the light unless it is rooted in the shadow. Like the universe, we only expand when we embrace our own dark matter. Conclusion: dark matter remains a scientific mystery, but it also opens a door to reflection about ourselves. We are not only light. We are not only what we see. Within each of us is an unmapped region, a dark force that holds our internal galaxies together. And perhaps when we observe the universe, we are looking at ourselves in expansion, in mystery, in continuous discovery. The universe is not made only of stars. It is also made of their shadows. If this journey stirred something in you, subscribe, share your thoughts, and join those who see beyond the surface. This is not the end, it is only the next threshold. The eye remains open,